Yeah, as you know, I am Priyanka. I am from Gurugram, Haryana. I have completed my master's in finance and marketing, and now I'm preparing for UGC NET examination. And my hobbies are reading books, talking to people. It is new added hobby because I love to talk people now, and I go outside with friends. Yeah, that's all about myself.
Wow, that's nice. So, yeah, when did you develop this desire that you want to learn this language? When did you start your journey?
Yeah, I started in July. In July, end of the July, I started my journey. I started learning this language, and it's been only 4 months. 4 months only.
Yeah, actually, I have been also, started my journey 6 July. 6 July, yeah, that time I had created my YouTube channel and I'm running also as well.
So what type of method are you using for your communication skill?
Yeah, this time, when I started my journey, that time I only upload solo videos and I try to watching the daily basis sentences. But it was not going too good for our channel, and I was not able to growth. I was not able to see my growth that time. But after three before 3 months. I had uploaded the conversationals video, and I know I was able to see the change on my YouTube channel that time. So I decided that I will only
Conversation.
upload conversationals video. So this time I'm uploading conversational video, and sometimes I use solo videos, not daily basis.
What is solo video? Actually, I never heard about this term.
Yeah, solo videos like individual videos, like we are making individuals and we, teach some vocabulary, teach some sentences
Yeah,
in
nowadays so
picture
many
videos.
YouTuber are doing the same thing. That is why it was not good.
Yeah. So, yeah, do you take a sessions on Clapping Go?
Yes, I'm attending session on clapping. Oh, usually. Yeah.
Okay, so how long have you been, taking the sessions on Clapping Go? When did you start?
Yeah, when I started my journey, then only I started clapping with I started with clapping go tutors.
Okay, so are you satisfied on the tutor
Yes,
with the
definitely
tutor?
because clapping go is a good platform where you can find easily your mistakes. Tutor can find easily my mistakes and they can correct me each and every sentence. So earlier I was not able to speak fluently fluently or correct English because fluency and accuracy matters. Now
Yes.
I guess, yeah, now I feel confident and I'm speaking well also. So I was not able to speak with in front of like strangers, but now I can speak. It is very normal for me. So that is I feel big change in me, and I'm fully satisfied with clapping. That is I am taking session like every day on clapping.
Okay, so yeah, tell me something about Clapping Go. What kind of facilities? It means what kind of challenges do you face? When did you start your journey? And this time, what kind of challenges do you face?
Okay, now I'm not facing any kind of challenge because I am confident, and if a person have confidence, so then he can do whatever he want to do. Now I can speak. I'm making mistake, but still I am confident and I'm learning. So it is a part of learning. Making mistake is a part of learning. So that is why I'm not uh, very much care about. I'm not caring about my mistakes.
Mistakes,
So
yes.
that is what, yeah. And when I started my journey, so it was quite difficult for me when it was my first session. So I was very nervous. I can't speak uh, in front of camera. That was like I watched whole session my face only, like how I am looking,
Yeah,
how I'm
yeah, it is
talking.
happen for the every beginners and for the
Yeah,
who just started their learning process. So it is
yeah.
common.
Also, it was the tutor told me you are very nervous. You are very nervous. You have to take a deep breath. Like that teacher hold me like a friend, holded me
Yes,
like
yes.
a. So I felt, yeah, that is the right platform. I have to learn with them. So I resubscribed my plan and I'm learning with them. And whatever like I am speaking now, it is because of that channel only, that clapping only.
So are you good at your tense and narration and passive active?
Like I'm not focusing on my grammar part. Whatever they like, I just speak, and whatever mistakes I'm making, they correct me, and I learn through my mistakes only. So I didn't focus my grammar. After
Okay.
some time, I will focus. I will learn some advanced English also, but now I'm not focusing because grammar is quite confusing for me. It depends on person to person. So in
Yes,
my
yes.
case, grammar is quite confusing to me. That is why I'm not learning any grammar. I'm learning vocabulary part, idiom part, a little bit of sentence knowledge. I have, and I start speaking. Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, that is, help of us to make a sentences, create a sentences whenever we speak. So phrases and clauses, phrases, all the part is very important for our speaking aspects. So what do you believe? Speaking are we have four aspects in our learning process. So listening, writing, and speaking, and listening, writing, speaking, and what other?
Writing,
Writing. So what do you believe, which part of do you believe most?
most important. In
Yes.
like I feel most important thing is listening and speaking only. These two pillar. If
Yes.
you you have a strong if you have strong skill in listening, so you can easily speak. And if you are good at speaking, so you can you like I feel
Yeah,
these
deliver
two
our
pillars,
thought. Yeah, we can
yeah,
easily deliver our thought.
two are very
So
important.
yeah, when we start our journey, when we start our learning process, that time we used to listening all these things. That time we memorize all these things in our mind, and
Right.
then we try to speak all these things in our mind, and then our tongue. So listening, I think, yeah, listening and speaking is the most important, and reading and writing is important. But whenever we speak, and whenever we able to speak and listen, when we are strong our listening part, that time we
Yes.
try to reading and writing all these things. So I believe both four pillar are important, but yeah, listening and
These
write
two
and
are
listen and speaking most important.
important. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I am going to attend my session. So we will meet soon. Uh, yeah, it
Okay,
was
okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
it
it
was
was
nice
nice to
talking to
talk
you.
to you.
Yeah, I want to talk to you more because I have so many things to speak and I have so many things to listen to you. But
Yeah, actually I
time is
don't
not
have
there.
much time, but yeah, I try to connect again.
Yeah.
I will try.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.